Meaning of deleterious.
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 Deleterious. The word deleterious is an adjective that describes something as having a harmful or damaging effect. It can refer to physical, chemical, or biological agents that negatively impact the environment, individuals, or populations. Deleterious effects can range from temporary impairment and discomfort to long-term, irreversible damage and even death. Exposure to pollutants, unhealthy lifestyle choices, genetic mutations, and infectious diseases are some examples of factors that can have deleterious effects on human health. Overall, deleterious consequences are typically unwanted and can have significant repercussions on the affected organisms and ecosystems.